In this video, you will learn how to generate an API key for your Arreya channel. View the event log and API log in your Arreya channel. First, you will learn how to generate an API key. To begin, log into your channel. In the upper right corner, click the Channel drop-down and click Create and Manage Channels. Click the Settings button next to the channel you wish to generate an API key for. Navigate to the API Access tab and click the Reset button to generate a new API key. The API key should be kept secret and should not be shared with anyone. When finished, click OK. Arreya keeps a log of every API call made using your Arreya channel URL and API key. To view this log, on the same page, click the API log button next to the channel you wish to view an API log for. When finished, click the X or OK button. Arreya keeps a log of every action in the dashboard by users. To view this log, on the same page, click the Event Log button next to the channel you wish to view an event log for. When finished, click the X or OK button.